Lazada Affiliate Program Tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel WebOS. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join the Lazada Affiliate Program. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do before we proceed to Lazada Affiliate Program, we firstly need to know what is the platform Lazada. So if you don't know Lazada, it is an e-commerce platform that operates in multiple countries across Southeast Asia, in which it was been founded in 2012 and has since become one of the leading online marketplaces in the region. And Lazada serves as a platform for sellers to offer a wide range of products and provide customers or consumers with a convenient and accessible way to shop for a variety of goods and other products. And the platform's mobile app and website have contributed to the growth of online shopping in the region, making it accessible for consumers to purchase a variety of goods from the comfort of their homes or while on the go. However, on this video, we're not here to buy or purchase a product on Lazada, but we're here to earn money using this Lazada affiliate program. And in order to do that, all we need to do is to go to the next tab and just enter or search on the search bar Lazada Affiliate Program, and proceed by clicking the first link that come up. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. Or you can also simply click the link on the description below, in which from here it will show you the overview about the Lazada Affiliate Program. And as you can see, it says here that they offer a 17% commission. And here are the 3 steps on how to join the Lazada Affiliate Program. So the first step is to sign up and generate your seller affiliate links for your products. And after signing in, the next thing that you need to do is to post your links on social media and get customers buying. And after that, every successful orders from your customers, you will earn or get a commission and payouts. And below here, it will show you the step-by-step process on how to sign up on this affiliate program as a seller. So the first step is to log in to Seller Center. And after logging in, the next thing that you need to do is to click the popular toolkit and followed by selecting the Seller Affiliate button. And that is how you can sign up as a seller affiliate, in which you can earn money by promoting your own Lazada products using your unique affiliate link. And also, since you are the seller, the commission that you will get are only additional revenue by promoting your own product. And the commission rate that says here is 17% per sale. However, the amount of commission earned depends on the number of customers who click on the affiliate link, and commission rates differ depending on whether the buyer is a first-time Lazada customer or has a previously order from Lazada. And that is the first thing of how you can earn money on Lazada, which is to become a seller affiliate. While the second way of earning commission or earning money on this Lazada affiliate program is to become a Laz affiliate. And in order to do that, all you need to do is to go to the footer section of this platform, and below here, just proceed by clicking the affiliate program. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And below here, it will show you the step-by-step process on how to become a Laz affiliate. And you could also see here that they offer up to 40% commission rate, which is way more higher than the seller affiliates. And if you scroll down below here, you will see here the step-by-step process on how to join to Laz affiliate. And it says here the first thing that you need to do is to promote product using the Laz affiliate link, then followed by if the customer buys product from your Laz affiliate link, you will get or earn a commission from it. And if you have a concern or question, just go to this FAQs section right here, and you will see here some of the questions that are frequently asked, and you will see the corresponding answers to it. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, it will show you the overview of how to become a Laz affiliate and also some of the advantage of it, including that they offer a high commission rates, flexibility, easy to sign up and use, serve as a passive income, and also no minimum sales requirement. And since Laz affiliates are individuals or companies who can earn money by promoting Lazada products using their unique affiliate link, we can now start choosing the categories of our products by clicking these categories and also select the product that you want to promote or your niche. We have here electronic devices, electronic accessories, TV and home appliances, healthy and beauty, and many more. And after selecting the category, the next thing that you need to do is to simply select here some of the products under those category. And as you can see, I choose skincare and beauty. And on the left side panel of it, you could also filter the brand of the skincare product and also the service and promotion. And aside from that, you can also filter the location, the price range, or the minimum and maximum price, and of course also the rating star, which is also important to see or determine those products that have a 5-star rating given by the customer of it, since the higher the rating, the more trusted the product is. But before we choose the product that we want to promote, you also need to choose either to become a seller affiliate or to become a Lazada affiliate. But in those options, I'm going to choose the Lazada affiliate, and in order to join the Lazada affiliate program, just go back to this page and proceed by clicking the sign up button below. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And as you can see, you are currently on the Google Docs of Lazada affiliate program. And it says here to join the Lazada affiliate program and earn up to 40% commission with their 18,000 plus brand partners. All you need to do is to fill out all of the required information below. And all of those information including your personal info such as your name. So make sure to enter here your full name and not just your first name. And aside from that, the next thing that you need to do is to select the platform or the traffic sources that you will use in promoting some of the products of Lazada. So firstly, we have here Facebook, in which you could enter or paste the last affiliate link of a specific Lazada product. And when the customers try to purchase the specific products that you promote on Facebook using your last affiliate link, you will get a commission from that specific sales. And aside from that, you could also use the platform YouTube, in which you could also upload a video that shows how valuable the product that you can find in Lazada. And you can attach the link of that product below the description, and if the customers try to purchase the product, you will be able to get a commission as well. And aside from that, you could also use Instagram and TikTok as the sources of your traffic. And after selecting the platform, the next thing that you need to do is to enter the number of your followers and also your social media link. And below, you are also required to enter your contact number and also, of course, your email address. And upon filling out all of the required information, just click the submit button below, and after that, the next thing that you need to do is to wait for them to respond to your application that you just submitted, since they will review your application based on the information that you just enter. And if you're eligible to be part of Lazada affiliate, you will be able to start promoting a product from Lazada and you can start earning money or commission from it. So that is just how you can join the Lazada affiliate program. Thank you.